Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate everybody watching the video, liking, and subscribing. So keep it up. Thank you. Today is the second video in my series, Walt Disney World Planning 101. Today I'm going to talk about some of the best places in Walt Disney World to stay. Walt Disney World resorts have a lot of benefits, so let's go over them. I think I've done a video about them before. If I have, I'll tag that above and below, as well as I've done a few resort tours so you can get kind of an idea of some of the different resorts. Some Walt Disney World resorts benefits are all of your transportation is included, to and from the airport, all around Walt Disney World property, to the theme parks, to Disney Springs. If you don't want to spend another dime, you don't have to worry about it. The other thing included is magic bands. These things could cost from $15 to $25 to some special ones that are even more expensive if you are staying off property. What is great about these are your park pass. You can charge things to them. They'll be how you enter your hotel room as well. So these are super handy. You can buy them if you're staying off property to make entering and exiting the park really easy. But if you stay off property, you're saving like $15 or more per person. One of the huge benefits is when you're staying at a Walt Disney World owned property, fast passes can be made 60 days prior to check-in for your entire trip. If you're off property, it's 30 days prior to when you want to visit that park. So this is a huge benefit to get those fast passes to Flight of Passage, Slinky Dog, Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railroad, Millennium Falcon, the list goes on and on. Big benefit. Same goes for dining reservations. Dining reservations can be made in 180 days prior to check-in for your entire trip as well. So some really hard reservations like Chef Mickey, Cinderella Royal Table, Sci-Fi, the list could go on and on. Some hard to get reservations, you'll be able to snag those as well. Some other benefits, extra magic hours. The park, at least one of the theme parks, will be open either an hour earlier or an hour later for resort guests. If you want to, you can participate in the meal plan. Disney has 4 meal plans. I will go over the meal plans in another video as well. We do love getting the Disney dining plan or the quick service plan. And then package delivery. So this goes from anything from when you land at the airport, if you use one of those little snazzy yellow tags, Walt Disney will pick up the luggage for you and deliver it to your hotel room. There are some stipulations like after 10 p.m. you need to go get your own luggage, but if you're arriving in the middle of the day, you don't have to worry about it. You can take your kids, get on the Magical Express, and they will deliver your luggage to your room within 3 hours after check-in, I would say. So magical. The other package delivery they do is if you're at the theme park and you see that must-have souvenir but you don't really want to carry it around all day, they'll bring it back to the hotel for you. So some of the great places to stay. I'm going to talk about one in each category. I've done a video about this before, but I really wanted to do a new one in the series. So if I can tag it, I will. My opinion has not changed for the best Valley Resort. I still think Pop Century or Art of Animation, depending on the size of your party, would be a fantastic spot to stay. Right now they have the new gondola, which will whisk you away to Caribbean Beach Resort, or Hollywood Studios or Epcot, which is a super fun way to get to the theme parks. I've done a video on Caribbean Beach gondola ride. I will post that one above so you can get a feel for it. I absolutely loved it. Pop Century will sleep a family of 4 or smaller in 2 queen beds. They've recently redone the room, I want to say within the last couple of years, so they have a snazzy new feel to them. I absolutely love these rooms. They are a small room, but it is a Valley Resort. They've got a fun pool, great quick service restaurant, great value category. Art of Animation, also in the value category, priced probably more at a moderate, but if you have a family of 6, this is a great spot to be. It's a 1-bedroom, and in the 1 bedroom they have a queen size bed, they have 2 bathrooms and a little kitchenette. The family suites here are car themed, Nemo or Lion King themed. There is a Little Mermaid room here, but those rooms are more of your standard hotel rooms with 2 double beds. The gondola station is between the Art of Animation and Pop Century Resort, so they share that station. And what's cool about staying at either Pop Century or Art of Animation is you could pop back and forth to go to the quick service or go check out the shops. So it's nice to have those kind of options. The best moderate resort. I have a hard time picking my favorite. but I think for a family, it's Caribbean Beach. Now, the biggest con to this resort would be the size. It's a huge resort, but they have the gondola station hub here. So at one end, you have the hub station where you can pick whether you're going to go to Hollywood Studios or Epcot. The other gondola station is technically Riviera, but it's so close to one end of Caribbean Beach. So what's a benefit of this? Riviera is a deluxe resort. It's actually a deluxe villa. It's a Disney Vacation Club resort. They have some great coffee shops, shopping, restaurants. So if you're at Caribbean Beach, you have a day off from the parks, you can stroll on over to Riviera, or you can take the gondola over and check it out. Caribbean Beach has such a fun theme. I think the kids will love it. Their pool is like a pirate themed, and their restaurants are great. They have a great bar by the pool called Banana Cabana. It is a tongue twister for me, obviously, but it's a great themed pool bar. And then they have Sebastian's Bistro next to it, which is a table service restaurant. They do have another quick service restaurant, so they have all these dining options, which I do love. If your kids are a little older and the moderate is what you're thinking, Coronado is one of my personal favorites, but if you have a family with younger kids, I highly recommend Caribbean Beach. Now we're getting into the deluxe category. If the deluxe resort is more within your budget, I have top two, depending on what your family needs and what your budget allows. I love the Beach Club. It's one of our family's absolute favorite resorts. The pool here is the best on property. It's huge. They have a ginormous pirate ship water slide, which is so fun. Then on the other side of the pirate ship water slide is a little kid water slide, which is great. So if you have a mixed age group in your family, the little kids can play at the little pirate ship water slide, while the big kids will have so much fun going down the water slide. There's a lazy river, there's a sandy bottom. You need to have an entire day devoted just for the pool here. It is so much fun. And the biggest, they're all big benefits. The other wonderful thing about staying at the Beach Club would be the location. You can walk to Epcot. It's literally right next door. You can walk to Hollywood Studios. It's a little bit further of a walk, but they do have a boat that will take you to either Epcot or Hollywood Studios from here. Across the way is the Boardwalk Resort. So there's other dining options as well, and nightly entertainment, which we always love to walk around there at night. My other pick for a deluxe resort would be the Polynesian. So if you're going to be spending most of your time at the Magic Kingdom, this would be a great spot for your family. You will have a nightly view of the fireworks from the pool, and they pipe in the music. It's beautiful. The only people allowed in this pool area are hotel guests, so it doesn't get overcrowded, which is really nice. The food here is probably some of my favorite on property. You have Captain Cook's, which is a quick service. You have Trader Sam's, you have Kona, Ohana. It's amazing. And then you could walk to the Grand Floridian right next door for even more dining options and shopping. And if walking isn't your thing, then you can take the monorail. It is one stop over. I do love the option at the Polynesian of being able to take the boat to the Magic Kingdom as well. And if you're going to be at Epcot, you can walk to the Ticket and Transportation Center and hop on the monorail to Epcot. The last category, which I absolutely love, would be the Deluxe Villa. So if your family is a little bigger, or if you're going to be spending a longer stay, I really love Old Key West, which may not be on everyone's list. It may not be everybody's thing, but what I love about it, it's some of the largest standard rooms for a deluxe villa here at Disney. The Deluxe Villa rooms means they're a Disney Vacation Club resort. You are able to rent out these rooms and pay cash just like a regular Disney World Resort reservation. I love Old Key West so much. I want to live here. You can take a boat to Disney Springs. This is a huge resort. I would say that would be the one con. It would be nice to have a car here, but otherwise, it's gorgeous. They have great shopping, great food options, and being able to get to Disney Springs easily was so nice. I have a resort tour of a studio. I will try to put that video in as well so you can get a feel. It was so relaxing. I would highly recommend it. So let me know, do you have a favorite resort? Whether it's a value, moderate, or deluxe villa, I would love to hear from you. Please leave me a comment down below. and let me know, where would you like to stay for your next Disney trip? Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped make a decision a little easier to pick a wonderful Walt Disney World resort for your next trip.